All right, SweetPea, box number 3, first box of the case that we're ripping personals out of. I present every card to Superfractor, and I feel good about it. It's not a bad strategy. This is like the Lost Boys pretending that their plates are full of ice cream and good food. But no case hits in Gilded, which I enjoy. It's just gas all the way through. Here we go. Is that Tony Perez? Tony Perez, 17/99. Framed autograph. I do the frame first because these cards are amazing. A lot of breakers do the frame last, but I love the cards that are in these packs. Oh, that's just gorgeous. 1 of 99. That is the true base Ty Cobb. And the out of 99s are the true base in this set. Everything else is a parallel. That is gorgeous. Ooh, Emmanuel Valdez to 199, a rookie. Uh-oh, how about this one? Ken Griffey Jr. to 75. Oh, doggy. The kid to 75. That's a great box of base cards so far. All right, I like doing the bottom right corner so we can see what the position is and the numbering. All right, outfielder out of 75. Oh, I kind of showed a little. Esteury Ruiz, rookie autograph to 75. There you have it. SweetPea, you got your A's. What's up, buddy?